Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I know I've been away for a while and it's been crazy the times we're living in, but finally I'm super happy to announce that we got merch. So here, this shirt here is one of the designs that we got in the store. It's with Teespring. You can find the merch on the store tab on here in YouTube, or you can also find it below the video, or I'm also gonna give you the description, or I'm also gonna leave the link in the description below. So anyway, this is how it looks. It says keep calm, wear a mask. And I don't know if you can see, the crown is very cool too. We have like different crafting stuff. So my daughter and me designed it, and she drew the whole logo. And there's other designs that I'm gonna show you in a second. So should I show you right now? Yeah, let's show you. So this is the new design. It's a hoodie. I don't know if you can see. Let me see here. It's very cool. Perfect now that the fall is coming. Oh my god, I look crazy. Anyways, pretty cool. I love the way the hood is. And this one, I think I got a extra large too, so it'd be really roomy, you know, everywhere. So it'd be really comfy, and I love hoodies. So I also got the t-shirt design that I'm gonna show you next. But this always also have like pockets here. And it's super comfy. I really love the way it feels. It looks very nice, and I love the way the logo looks too. So yeah, the design of the logo, I don't know if you had noticed, that's my daughter drew me. So yeah, that's kind of like the silhouette of me wearing a mask, and of course the glasses. Anyway, so let me show you how the t-shirt looks. Check out the different colors that we have available. Is also in the store, so check them out. And this is how the t-shirt looks. So this is the other design. This one says Creando Crochet, and the logo is a little bit bigger. You can see I'm wearing the other one underneath. They're super comfortable. This is like the women one, and the other ones I do have here, because my mother wanted one. Let me see the difference here. I have here, like, I got some for my daughter and for my mother. This one is my mother, and this is the regular one. I have the longer sleeves. They have like the shorter sleeves, and this is how it looks. As you can see, this one even have the logo a little bit bigger. This one is size large on the regular ones, and the woman, I think comfy or something, I'll explain in the description below. This is extra large. This in another color. I have different colors. I have also different colors of the other one, of the one keep calm and wear a mask. You check in the website. And I got this one for my sister-in-law over here. And this is the same as this, but in a different color. My niece got this one, and we also got some stickers right here. They're really cool. I don't know if you can see here, but yeah. So yeah, they are. And one of my favorite is this. It's cotton, and it's organic too. It's super cool, and you can check it out on the store too. And it's really nice. Look here, let me show you the tab. There is certified organic, and it's super nice and strong. It's super big. You can also put your yarn and crochet project, or also your sewing project. So it's very nice and handy, and you can just hold it like this. You can hold it like this and just get it. Anyways, so I'm super excited to announce it. I hope you like this new merch, and if you want, you can go ahead and support the channel and get some merch. But that's it. Thank you for always watching the videos and supporting me. I really appreciate it. And just keep watching. Keep on the lookout, because more designs are coming soon. Okay, so I also got some projects coming up but this is gonna take a little bit more because the Spanish ones are coming before, and then I have to do the narration in English. But let me see if I can see. Oh, there's something coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you more. And that's it. You guess. I don't know, if you want, you can guess in the comment what it is. There's also something else. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna show them more. But those are coming also. My son and me did a cake for his birthday a while ago. I'm gonna update that. I'm gonna upload that too, so just keep on the watch, keep on the lookout for those things. So anyways, that's it. Take care. Thank you for watching my videos, even supporting the channel, even in those moments that I was away and absence. But I always think of you. I have a lot of videos. Oh, let me do this, let me do that. But then I don't end up editing, or they're like, oh, they're not relevant anymore. So I will try to, like I always say, I will try to post more often. But we are living in a crazy time, and sometimes it gets crazy over here. But I'll try. But I just wanted to say, just keep safe. Take it easy. I know we're living in a time that is very stressful, you know, all the different issues that's going around the world, like, you know, the pandemic, the earthquakes, the hurricanes, the fires, the protests, you know, I just try to be kind to each other. Don't judge nobody. Spend time with your family. Treasure those moments together. Stay safe, you know. And if you're stressed out, try to focus on something. Well, if you're watching this channel, you're already doing that. You focus something in a fun project. It's very relaxing and calming. So, and then it's nice thing that you can do also a gift for somebody and brighten the day to somebody. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. Take care, keep safe, and that's it. Success in your project. Take care, guys. Big hug, and in between the next one. Ciao.